Turn the drone, turn the drone. Freedom clear. Freedom clear to fire. Fox, Fox, Fox. Aces 3, knock it off.
Freedom 3, knock it off, arm safe, post attack vector 070. Requesting battle damage check if able.
L safe off. Mike, Aces. Aces, I see it. Okay.
Over 3089.
We got a hurt drone here. We're going to stay with the drone.
Stan Freedom is going to stay with you.
That's approved if he has the fuel.
Freedom 3 has the fuel.
Sabre 01, right 290.
Sabre 290.
Mike, you're in burner.
I have to.
But if,
This is X-ray, I'm in burner to keep it flying.
okay, the tail end is heating up red hot.
X-ray, you'll need to turn the drone right to 160. As soon as he's rolled out to ACES 03, we'll have you in the shoebox.
Understand it's not recoverable.
Flying green target.
Fox, Fox, Fox. Okay, Mike, looks like you're still flying. Request another green target. Clear the drone, clear the drone.
Target.
3, 2, 1, mark.